What causes childhood snoring? In many cases, it's more than just noisy sleep. Snoring can be a sign of airway issues, and one important factor is jaw size. A small or underdeveloped jaw can narrow the airway, making it harder for kids to breathe comfortably at night. This restriction may contribute to pediatric sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly pauses during sleep. If your child snores often, it's worth taking seriously. Call Dr. Bethaney Brenner at 860-673-7155 to schedule an evaluation in Burlington CT and learn how airway-focused dental care can help.